Ever wondered how filmmakers get that rich textured, cinematic look? It's not just about slapping on a LUT. There's a tool that lets you go beyond presets, giving you control over film stocks, grain, bloom, halation, and more. And the best part is, anyone can do this. This is Dehancer, a film emulation plugin designed to replicate the look and feel of real film. Let's take a look. Select your camera model, the look, and off you go. One of the best things about Dehancer is its selection of classic film stocks. Here are some of the ones I liked. Each film stock has a distinct look, letting you dial in unique aesthetics right from the start. Going beyond film stocks, Dehancer lets you mimic the glow of real film, such as the all-popular halation, which adds a soft red glow to the highlights, while bloom gives a dreamy cinematic feel. Adding film grain isn't just adding blanket noise to the entire image. It adapts to the shadows and highlights of any given footage, making it feel organic instead of digital. Dehancer isn't just for high-end cameras. Let's see how it performs on different devices that you might already own. Smartphone footage can look over-sharpened and saturated. Dehancer softens it, making it feel more natural. And here's some footage taken with the Osmo Action 4, compared side by side with the iPhone and my Sony a7 IV. The same can be said for drone footage, and here it is with some adjustments. Of course, my adjustments and yours will differ depending on the look you're after. Now, it's not the cheapest plugin out there, but if you want full control over your film look, it's one of the most feature-rich options out there, and it's very easy to use for a beginner. So, is Dehancer worth it? I'll let you decide. If you're interested in purchasing Dehancer, use my code JC10 for 10% off Dehancer, and I get a small kickback from this. If you found this helpful, please show some support to my dying channel by hitting the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.